When you make a web app, you just deploy once. That's it. Push to production and it's live for everyone. But mobile apps, you have iOS and Android. Even if you use Flutter or React Native, you still need to build and release twice. 2 stores, 2 review processes, 2 devices to test on. And sometimes bugs appear only one platform with no reason. That's a true pain on mobile dev. Hi, I'm Kei. I've been a mobile app engineer for the past 10 years. Started from Swift and moved to Flutter for 6 years. I built a community called Flutter Daigaku with 1,000 members in total. I helped them launch over 200 apps. Now, AI and vibe coding, I'm helping people make apps they truly love, not just code for work. So let's talk about why mobile app is still tough, even in 2025. The App Store pain. Building an app is so fun. You write some code, run it on your phone, it feels amazing. But releasing it, that's another world. You need screenshots in every site, app titles, descriptions, and keywords. Basically, you become a designer and a marketer. Then comes App Store review, sometimes quick, sometimes random. Apple say, your app violates guideline 4.2.6. And you're like, what does that mean? These days, tools like Code Push make things a bit easier. You can ship updates instantly without waiting for review, which feels like a magic compared to the old days. But still, there are limits. If your update touches anything native or app decides they don't like it, you are back to waiting for approval again. And here's the thing. ASO can completely change your downloads. It's painful but interesting at the same time. Too many tools, too many choices. We used to just pick between native iOS or Android. Now we have Flutter, React Native, Kotlin multi-platform, and Unity, and even AI tools. Competition makes tools better, but it also creates decision fatigue. You spend days researching tools, watching comparison YouTube videos, reading posts, and still doubt your choice. And then 6 months later, a library dies, and you have to migrate everything again. Platform updates that break everything. Every year, Apple and Google drops new OS updates. Sometimes so exciting, sometimes just unnecessary, like the new liquid glass design in iOS. Sure, it looks modern, but now your layout looks outdated overnight. So you tweak padding, shadows, corner radius again and again. It feels less like innovation, more like keeping up with new fashion rules. Device testing hell. Phones comes in hundreds sizes and shapes. Let's say you fix one bug in Pixel 8, then it breaks random 2017 Android phones. You fix that, then now iPhone SE crashes. It never ends. Your desk becomes a phone shop. I used to be. And still, you will miss the one device a user is complaining about. Certificates, builds, and waiting. Signing profiles, provisioning certificates, key store files, all the boring stuff no one talking about. You think your build is ready, then Xcode says invalid certificates, or Android says your key store is wrong. Even with CI/CD, something always breaks. And build times? Fix one line, wait minutes, even hours. It's like forced meditation. The vibe coding paradox. Now let's talk about vibe coding. AI writing your code almost like a magic. Today you can build a surprising amount of your mobile app. The same way you build a web app, describe it, generate it, refine it. UI, logic, backend, boom. AI helps you ship faster than ever. But here's the paradox. The last mile is still painful. You can generate codes, preview it, test it, but when you wanna deploy it to the App Store or Google Play Store, you still can't automate everything. Signing, packaging, store requirements, reviews. Still, AI can't bypass that. It's like, thanks for building 90% of the app. Now, suffer through the last 10%. For web, vibe coding plus deploy equal one click. For mobile, the deploy is still a boss fight. But that's why it's fun. Yes, building mobile apps is painful. But that pain is what makes mobile dev special. After all the bugs, all the builds, all the rejections, your app finally appears in the store. A real user downloads it, and something you made becomes a part of your phone. That feeling is different. It's real. That's why even in AI era, I still love mobile dev. Closing. If you're a mobile dev, you know this pain. Please comment your worst story in the below, like your funniest rejection or weirdest Android iOS bugs. And if you want more honest takes like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's keep building and suffering together. That's it today. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。